You are doing a job that your wife is supposed to do?
Hey. Don't come to my house by this time of the morning, unannounced and uninvited. And you will start making noise with that loud voice of yours. Let me warn you, my wife is still sleeping. And I will not want her to wake up when I'm not done with my house chores. So, reduce your voice or you start going back to your house.
Husband material, 2,000 yards.
I'll start going back to your house.
I get it back, you're asking me
I
to
said
leave
you
your
should
house.
start going.
You are chasing me.
I will chase you with this broom. Start going.
No problem.
Go back to your house.
Okay.
To my house. Look at these people that will not mind their business. Eh?
Abubakar. Agdiba,
Landlord.
what are you carrying on your head?
Landlord, as you can see, I went to fetch water for my beloved wife, in whom I am well pleased.
Abubakar. So you not do a woman job?
Landlord is none of your business. See, in case you don't know, love is blind.
Love is blind?
Yes.
My dad, this love is too blind. But hey, Anyagi, what is your problem? You're loving her.
I love my wife and I am ready to do anything for her.
This love is too blind. You enter bush, oh.
Landlord, learn to mind your business and learn to love your wife. Do you understand?
Agdiba, if this is the kind of love you want to introduce me to, I can't love my wife like this. Ew, boy.
It's none of your business. I'm doing it for the love I have for my wife. Learn to mind your business. Stop closing into my family matters. Focus on your family and focus on your wife.
You're becoming a houseboy, yo.
Nonsense.
Agdiba, can I hate you?
If you want to hate me, landlord, you hate me.
I will hate you.
If you want to hate me, you hate me.
I don't hate this boy, finish. Ta! Itali, beribe.
Zacchaeus, come and help me to carry this water now.
Agdiba, I should help you to carry water.
But if you cannot help me, I will have to fully do my job. You don't want to help me, you just stand there and you see, I'm about to do my chores.
Hey! I am ashamed of you. When will you stop doing boy for your wife?
My brother, I am not doing boy for my wife. Anything you see me do, I do it because I love my wife. Do you understand? My wife is my queen, and that is why I'm ready to serve her. She is my queen.
Agdiba, you are suffering. Hey! I just wish I can cry for you, but I can't waste that tears.
My brother, do I look like I am complaining to you? Do I look like I have ever complained to you that I am suffering? You people should allow me enjoy my marriage.
Agdiba, you call this enjoyment?
My brother, it is love.
You are suffering.
Anything I do it for love.
Bianwoka, are you still washing these little duvets? Are you still washing this little work that I gave to you? You're still washing this. I went to the market and I'm back. You've not even warmed the soup, this man. If that soup sours, you will sour. And you, deceiver, birds of same feather flocks together. No problem. If you like, sleep here. If you like, you die here. You know when you finish, that is when you're going to eat. You know me now.
Hey! Agdiba, see the way your wife is talking to you. No respect, no manner.
My brother, it is love.
Hey! You are still calling this one love?
This is how we do our own love. This is how we do our own marriage.
Any girl I marry will not try this nonsense with me. Any day she tries this nonsense with me, I swear to God, she will go back to her parents' house.
This is what I call L-O-V-E. Love.
Hey, you saw again. What did I just hear you say? That is what you keep telling him. Akwaya, your wife will be gone. Oya, be gone. Oya, start going.
My brother,
Zacchaeus,
start going. Start going before my wife get angry now. Start going.
Will you leave here?
Go now. Go. Leave my house. Go.
Agdiba, come.
Landlord,
What is happening?
I don't understand why people will not focus on their life. How will somebody leave his house and come in to advise me on how I should marry my wife, or how I should love my wife?
How to love your wife?
Yes.
Are you still doing this dirty love?
I love her so much. She is my queen.
Agdiba, you keep saying love. Agdiba, you keep saying love. He came back when 12 years. I know that your wife must have been treating you bad, and he tried to amend you. You know, Zuzu.
How does your own wife treat you at home?
Only God knows that my wife cannot try all this nonsense. Any day she comes up with this kind of your wife's attitude, Agriba, I will show her tiger. I will tigerize her.
So you are a tiger?
Tiger. Ago.
Oh, you are Ago.
Ago.
No wahala now.
Listen to me. I even came to warn you.
You came to warn me?
The woman your wife bought red oil from, came to complain to me today that your wife have not paid. That is why I came. Go and tell her to bring the money for that woman.
I will tell my wife. We are going to pay in a
Go, woman rapper.
I hear you. Go and handle your home. Stop closing into my own home.
Agriba, leave me.
Stop closing into my own marriage.
I hate you.
Alhaji.
Alhaji.
You have gone to my place.
Yes, I came to your place because I have a serious problem now, Alhaji.
Serious problem?
Yes, Alhaji. See, leave all those things you see me doing. Leave all those things you see me shouting, I love my wife, I love my wife. Alhaji, inside me, I am dying. That woman is maltreating me. Look at the kind of things a matured man like me is doing now. Hey, Alhaji, a matured man like me will be fetching water. A matured man like me will be cooking food. A matured man like me will be sweeping the house when I have a wife. Is that supposed to be? The one that is even scattering my head is that a matured man like me will be going to the farm sometimes.
Oh, well.
Alhaji, who does that?
So you mean you used to sweep for the ground?
Alhaji, let us not just go into details. I have told you everything that I'm doing. I just need a solution.
The both of you will marry each other.
Alhaji, the way this our marriage is, we married ourselves.
You marry yourself.
Me and my wife, we married ourselves now.
The both of you will pay the price.
I won't lie to you. She paid for everything.
Sakwata.
But that is not the case. I want to be in charge of this marriage. I want to be the man. Sakwata. Leave that in, Alhaji. Just give me solution.
How can you be the one where another person is paying your bread price?
Alhaji, it's just the way things are now.
But anyway, because you are my friend, you know, anybody that is my friend, I give them good local medicine.
I believe you. Alhaji, and despite everything, I just want to still be the man in this marriage.
I have a medicine for you. It's called 2-in-1 medicine.
2-in-1 medicine.
First the root. I said to be under my control. Be under my control. Be under my control. That is the final.
That is all.
Okay, let me bring it. This is the medicine.
This is the root.
Yes.
So if I face it under the sun and I shout, be under my control. Be under my control. If I shout it 3 times, that is all.
That is the final.
Favor, you must be under my control. Favor, you must be under my control. Favor, you.
Welcome. Again. What is this?
Just Valentine prank.
Are you seeing my teeth? Or you throw it away?
I should throw it away.
Oh, sister.
Do you know how I suffer to get?
I said throw it away. Lava, inside. Valentine prank. Valentine prank.
See. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Allow me to beat her.
Let me come and
You
fight.
want to beat a woman?
See,
Come and fight.
I told you I'm a tiger.
Yeah, you're a tiger. Why would you be a tiger on a woman?
Let me display.
Control yourself. Control yourself. It's your wife. It's your wife.
Landlord, control yourself.
Why would you beat your wife? Why would you fight your wife?
Let me do my thing. Agriba, let me do my thing.
You need to come and
Let me
fight.
do. Hey! Agriba, did you push me?
Go and fight. You are a tiger. Go and fight. Okay, landlord. What really happened? What brought about this fight?
I'm a man. Agriba. Agriba.
Hey, okay, landlord.
Zacchaeus. You both know how difficult this country is.
We know. You want to cry? Remember you said you are a tiger.
I'm a tiger.
You are a tiger.
I'm a tiger.
Hey, you are even wearing this Yago clothes. You are not supposed to be crying now.
I'm a tiger.
Okay, you are a tiger. Hey.
Agriba. I've warned my wife severally on different occasions that anytime I buy toothpaste in this house, let her not be present from the middle. Instead, she should be present from the nyash. But today, She went and pressed from the middle.
Okay, landlord. So is that the reason why you are fighting with your wife?
She will kill me today.
Madam, why?
Are you talking to me?
No, we are talking to... Okay, landlord.
Come here.
Who?
I said come here.